Ogle Models and Prototypes are industry leaders in producing models, prototypes and low volume end-use parts. This is done through 3D printing, CNC machining, vacuum casting, and most importantly, traditional model making skills. Our main clients come from industries within product design, aerospace, automotive, medical, and architectural industries. So we've been 3D printing for almost 30 years now, but before then, we had to use very traditional methods. So hand model making skills from hand-drawn drawings. We started 3D printing back in 1996. Back then, we saw that CAD was becoming much more mainstream, and the fact that 3D printing could enable quicker design changes and iterations, we could incorporate that with the more traditional model making techniques and skill as well, to help designers fulfill their design and development requirements much quicker and saving costs as well. We got our first Neo800 printer back in 2018. The Neos help us improve our workflow in 3 ways. They've got outstanding surface finish and quality, excellent accuracy, and brilliant reliability as well. The surface finish of the parts that come off the machines is far superior. They enable us to spend less time hand finishing components, and also parts which come straight off the machine just have a better aesthetic. The Neos enable us to produce much more complex parts, whilst also reducing the lead times and also cost of producing these compared to traditional manufacturing methods. The large build chambers of our Neo800s allow us greater flexibility. We can produce much larger parts that fill that platform, or we can produce high volumes of smaller components as well. But also we have the 450S, which has a smaller build volume, so that enables us to have flexibility. So if the large machines are running for days on end, they could be 4, 5, 6 day builds. The 450 is there as well for quicker turnaround builds and smaller parts. It helps us get the work out the door quicker, but also into the workshop where the skilled team here hand finish the SLAs and then take them into the painting and finishing department or the vacuum casting department. The Neo fits really well with our other processes here at Ogle. We've got the SLS process, but we've also got the more traditional model making skills as well. And where we produce larger mock-ups, we incorporate the 3D printing components into those where there's areas of higher detail, maybe complex curves as well, and it just helps increase the quality of the models and prototypes that we're producing. The Neos enable us to produce great aesthetic models. So from the exceptional surface quality straight off the machine, coupled with the accuracy, means we can make highly complex assemblies look like the real things. The parts then go into our paint department where the finish and colour is applied. This then brings them to life and makes them look like the real thing. Reliability is a key thing for us with our machines. When we're doing large builds especially, that can run for 4, 5, 6 days, we don't want any build failures when the machines aren't being monitored or anyone's here overnight or at weekends. We need to come in the morning and ensure that the builds have completed. The Neos have that. One of the benefits of Somos Evolve 128 resin is its durability. This enables us to produce fine features and snap fits without the parts breaking, but also very large parts which can be used for end-use applications. The parts could be taken straight off the printer and used, or they could have various post-processes applied, such as electroplating, to further increase durability and increase the range of use. At Ogle Models, we're always investing in the best technology to keep us ahead of the curve. The Neo800s and the 450S fit into this perfectly. This widens our customer offering, whilst also maintaining our high level of quality our customers expect.